Hi, I'm Stephen Stiller from Trajan Scientific, and I'm here at SLAS 2020, and we're demonstrating the Connect Quantos powder dispensing system. Let me show you a little bit of the interface. Now, this system can automatically dose from up to 32 different dispensing head cartridges, and the rack that holds them automatically senses when you place the powder on the rack or remove it. The dosing head has an RFID chip in it that stores the information of what the material is, when you filled it, how much material is in it, an expiration date if desired, and this is used to then select which materials are used for dosing. To build a job, you can select from the materials that are on the rack. Today we're going to be dosing into 20 ml vials in a 15 vial rack. We have a wide variety of vial sizes and rack types that we support, both using the PAL system with decapping and decapping that I'll be showing today, and also on dedicated racks that are on the robot platform if capping is not necessary. Start it, you simply hit start. You can enter a user ID. Shows the status screen. And then this will come over to the system where we can see the PAL is getting ready to operate, and if you look here, you can see the robot is preparing itself to be get the dose heads. The PAL will pick up the vial, place it into the decapper. While that's happening, the multi-axis robot will pick up one of the dose heads and place it on the Quantos. So now, as soon as the vial is decapped, it'll move out of the way, and the robot will pick up the vial, place it on the Quantos. The Quantos then will prepare itself for dosing. When it gets into position, it now zeroes the balance. And after the balance has zeroed, then it will begin dosing the powder into the vial. After it's finished, the Quantos unit writes the information that it just dosed back onto the RFID chip on the head, and then we read that information, and the head moves up out of the way. And we pick up the vial.
I'm ready to go home. I'm back in Australia, so I'm ready to get on a plane for 15 hours. That's how much I want to get.
Well, I was out at another customer site was 2 weeks ago. I was in Denmark.
Now this will grip it
Boston for like 5 days, and then out here.
and recap it.
2 weeks I go all the way back to Denmark again. So it's like 9-hour time swings. It's like, ugh, it's killing it.
I was in Boston last week.
It's nice here.
Yeah, it is. Isn't it?
Walking outside my t-shirt, I'm like, all
While this is recapping, it's finished with this dose head, so it's going to put it back.
So what of this do you guys?
So while that puts that back on the rack, this is finished decapping, and we'll place it back in the rack. Now you can stop here, but we also offer a wide variety of custom solutions for handling the sample after this point. We can add diluents of many different types. We can shake, we can vortex, we can filter, and even down to the point of injecting into an LCMS and automatically starting the LCMS run. So there's a wide variety of things that we can do downstream. We'll stop here for just a minute, as you can see that there are places for 3 trays of dedicated vials that are not capped. If you don't have the PAL, we can have an outboard that has 3 additional trays, so we can have up to 6 trays on the system. Now if we come back to the
And so you guys are really the integrator.
main software,
That's exactly right.
what it will show is, it shows how on the grid of each one that we dosed, how much material was dosed, that it met the tolerances that we set for the dosing. The deviation here was 0.3%, which is very good, and how much powder is remaining on the report. We can also open up a report in Excel to show this and show the report that was saved from this.
And are you guys mostly with the UR
At this
robots?
point, then, you can begin again with setting up your next experiment.
Briefly, the bigger universal robot arm to replace.
Thank you very much. I hope this answered your questions about the UR robot-based Connect Quantos system. And if you have any questions, please come and see us at our booth at SLAS or visit our website at trajanscimed.com. Thank you.